This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So for this application here, which pretty much allows you to set ringtones or music for your battery percentage. Let's say your battery percentage, or you have connected your charger to your phone to make a noise. Let's say you have disconnected your charger, it will make a noise. So that's pretty much the application. So how to use it? So as you can see here, this is the home screen, and if you tap on, this is pretty much what you will see once you open the application. So all you have to do is tap on this option here. We'll just carry to this section here, tap on the back option, and you pretty much will be home screen. So you'd have to then hop on the plus icon here, and then whichever mode you want to use, whether the connected option, disconnected option, full battery, low battery, you have to choose. So let's say you want the connected option. So every time that you connect your phone to the charger, it will make a noise. Whether you want to use a custom sound, let's say a TikTok custom sound, you can use it as well. Let's say you want to use a ringtone, you can use it as well. You can use the text-to-speech option where you pretty much enter what you wanted to say. And in the settings option here, it does give you the language and support. Nothing much for that, but you do get the understanding. So most of you will probably use the audio option. So all you have to do is just tap on the audio file, then tap on the file explorer option, and you pretty much go into the file section and pretty much search for the audio that you would like to use. You can either download your audio from TikTok or wherever you're gonna get that audio and import it here. So once you've imported here, you're pretty much good to go. And all you have to do is tap on the save icon at the top here, and you're pretty much good to go. So every time I connect my device to the charger, it will say hey. So that's pretty much how you basically use the application. So,
Hi.
so as you can see there as an example, very easy to use. And you can pretty much use your ringtone, you can pretty much use anything else, and you pretty much get this result. So if you do want to cancel, or I will say cancel, but you want to pretty much end the feature in close the application, you just tap on this here, and it will stop this feature from working, or stop the application from working basically. So just tap on that option and it will pretty much disable everything. So it won't, if I do try to connect the device to the, or connect the charger to the device, it won't say hey. So that's really much the application, very easy to use. And if I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.